Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today's video is on the top 5 best automatic pool cleaner. After hours of researching, we have selected these 5 best automatic pool cleaner and ranked them based on few criteria like quality, price, durability, and more. If you want to see more information and updated prices, you can check out the links in the description below. And make sure to subscribe for more reviews like this. So without any delay, let's get started with the video. Number 1. Dolphin Nautilus CC Robotic Pool Cleaner. Why you should get it. This compact cleaner has a weekly timer and offers intense scrubbing power that works well on most pool surfaces. Keep in mind, with a range of 33 feet, this robot won't work for very large pools. Lightweight and nimble, the Dolphin Nautilus CC Robot was designed with both in-ground and above-ground pools in mind. Superior suction allows for effective debris cleanup, while its heavy-duty track system can traverse just about any pool surface type, including Unite, tile, vinyl, and fiberglass. This robotic pool cleaner also has exceptional climbing capability, helping ensure your pool walls remain spotless throughout the season. One of the best parts about the model is its weekly timer, which allows the cleaner to run its 2-hour cycle time at set intervals throughout the week. With the timer set, you won't have to worry about your pool being clean when you want to take a dip or when guests drop by. It's also worth noting that the cleaner is fairly lightweight in comparison to other picks, so it's easy to place in and out of the pool when needed. Number 2. Dolphin Premier Robotic Pool Cleaner. Why you should get it. This plug-and-play robotic pool cleaner works wonders on pools up to 50 feet. Plus, it's backed by a 3-year warranty. Keep in mind, this machine is heavier than other robotic pool cleaners on the market. The Dolphin Premier is a great option for anyone looking to invest in a robotic pool cleaner. There are plenty of things to love about this robot, including its easy-to-use single-button cleaning setting and technology that allows it to remember the parts of your pool that it's already cleaned. This robot also works efficiently on vertical surfaces, so it can optimally scrub even the grimiest water lines. It's compatible with multiple filter cartridges and fine filter bags, so you can set this machine for a variety of cleaning functions, including algae scrubbing and leaf removal. When it comes to design, the Dolphin Premier features an anti-tangle, 60-foot cord that will never get twisted or interfere with your robot's work. Its long cord allows the robot to clean pools up to 50 feet in length. This machine also has a convenient handle to easily retrieve it from the water, which is helpful since this robot weighs a little over 20 pounds. A 3-year warranty will protect your purchase, providing peace of mind. Number 3. Dolphin Escape Robotic Above Ground Pool Cleaner. Why you should get it. The Hypergrip track design makes it easy to tackle difficult to remove grime at the bottom of your pool. Keep in mind, this robot doesn't offer a weekly timer functionality. Above ground pools are either made of steel, aluminum, or resin, so you'll need a robotic pool cleaner like the Dolphin Escape that is made to tackle these surfaces. One thing to love about this robot is the ultra-durable dual scrubbing brushes that can scour away algae and other stubborn contaminants that can build up on the pool's floor. It also features hypergrip tracks instead of traditional wheels for superior traction underwater, so you won't have to worry about the cleaner getting stuck. The hypergrip brush and tracks work seamlessly with this robot's smart navigation feature, which acts much like a GPS and helps the cleaner navigate your pool quickly. In fact, an entire cleaning cycle can be completed in just 1.5 hours. Fans of reusable filters will also appreciate that this pool cleaner eliminates the need for messy bags. One thing to keep in mind is that this robot doesn't have a weekly timer function, so you can't program an automatic cleaning schedule. Number 4. Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus Robotic Pool Cleaner. Why you should get it. The cleaner features 3 cleaning frequency options, so it's easy to decide how often you want your pool to be cleaned. Keep in mind, it won't work for scrubbing your waterline. Whether you're swimming laps or entertaining friends, the Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus Robotic Pool Vacuum will help you enjoy more time in your pool and less time cleaning it. Easy to use and ideal for in-ground pools up to 50 feet, this machine promises to get your pool sparkling clean in just 2 hours. Dual scrubbing brushes effortlessly wipe down algae and grime, while a filter picks up even the finest particles of dirt and sand. Built-in sensors can detect obstacles on the bottom of your pool and avoid them with little interruption. It's also designed to scale pool walls and clean around stairs. Just keep in mind that it won't scrub your waterline. It's also worth noting that the Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus has an easy-to-use 3-setting function which allows you to schedule your robot to clean every day, every other day, or every third day. Thanks to the timer, you'll never have to worry if your pool is clean when you want to use it. Number 5. Aiper Cordless Robotic Pool Vacuum. Why you should get it. The cleaner features dual motors and has a cord-free design, so you won't have to worry about it getting tangled. Keep in mind, the maximum cycle time on this model is only 50 minutes, which is shorter than other options on this list. The best robotic pool cleaner for small pools is the Aiper Cordless Robotic Pool Vacuum. The cleaner offers dual motor suction that effectively picks up dirt and debris. Plus, it has 2 independent scrapers to remove grime and sediment from your pool floor. Weighing in at just over 6 pounds, this robotic pool cleaner is easy to handle and more lightweight than most other options out there. Its lighter weight is partly due to its cordless design, which ensures you never have to worry about power issues or cord entanglement while it maneuvers in a smaller space. To use the cleaner, simply drop it into your pool and let it do its thing. The cleaner features self-parking smart technology, which automatically stops the Aiper robotic cleaner near the pool wall when the battery is too low or after completing a working cycle. Once it's done, just use the included retrieval hook to take it out of the water without getting yourself wet. Keep in mind that this robot will run for 55 minutes when fully charged, so it's not the best choice for large pools. The device recharges in 3 to 4 hours. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you have enjoyed it. If so, please like and share the video. And also make sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss anything. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions at all. Hope to see you guys in the next video. See you later, guys.